Hey, what's up, y'all? We know it's been a minute. Look at my hair. I know it's white. Still on our adventure, as you can see. My beautiful daughter is still asleep. And my beautiful wife is right there coming out the store. I don't know if y'all can see her. She's feeding the birds. Trying to feed the birds. That's what she's doing. We call it crack bread because they love that bread. They really love that bread. Let me show y'all. This is what we do, y'all. We take the time to bless God's creation with food too. They deserve to eat too. They've been out here literally eating off bags and drinking water off the ground, y'all. This is what we do while we're sitting in Walmart parking lot, y'all. They deserve to eat too. Yeah, here's my sexy wife. She feed them.
Hello,
Feeding them
birds.
that good old bread. Y'all all over there.
There you go. All right.
I don't know why they love that bread. Somebody must have put their foot in that. Yeah, y'all, just showing y'all another day of our adventure. Still on our journey. This time we got our sign on the window. A couple of people blessed us this morning. You know, God came through a couple times through a couple people, but we know it's gonna get better. It's gonna get better. Our baby's still in the car asleep. Usually she up feeding the birds with us, but it's still early, like 9 something. Baby's still asleep. Yeah, y'all, just knowing we're still staying happy. Y'all keep your head up. Same people that's in the same situation, keep your head up. Feed some birds. They're peaceful. They're happy. Even the life that they have, God created them to have. Go through certain situations. Just know you gotta look up to God and Jesus Christ. One time they were standing on our foot, y'all. They was walking all on our foot. They trusted us that much.
They probably got stuff. It's okay. It's all right. Just us. Not bad.
Yeah, we just stick to doing positive things instead of doing evil things that God and Satan don't want us to do, because we don't want to go down like that. That's not a God. It's not a Jesus Christ. Bird right there. They get closer, y'all. They be walking on them. One time we fed them some bread, and they was trying to jump in the car at me and Val. Trying to jump at me and our beautiful daughter. But they really wasn't jumping. They was just trying to get the bread. They was hungry. People keep saying they're mean and angry things, but they're not. They're beautiful creatures. They're hungry too. Any animal is a beautiful creature. Even pets, they're beautiful creatures. And they're even more beautiful because God and Jesus Christ created them. Yeah, y'all, just wanted to show y'all the people today and to show y'all that we're still alive, still walking with God and Jesus Christ, still happy, still blessed. My baby girl, like I said, still sleep. Sexy wife right there. She in the car. But see y'all next time. Keep your head up. Be blessed.